The Henson razor is a 3-piece, closed-comb, double-edged safety razor. When you remove the razor from the box, it will not have a blade inside. Open the razor by twisting the handle counterclockwise to unscrew from the head. To do this, hold the razor safely between 2 fingers at the short ends of the razor head. The top cap and base plate will come apart to allow you to insert your double-edged razor blade. Continue to hold the top cap on its short ends to keep your fingers safely away from the blade. Place the blade on the posts inside the top cap of the razor. Next, place the base plate on the top cap. Ensure that the 2 oval holes in the base plate line up with the posts on the top cap. Screw the handle into the bottom of the base plate. You should see the bushing of the base plate where you screw the handle. If you do not see the bushing, you may have assembled the base plate upside down. Make sure you fully close the razor by tightening the handle until it stops. Not fully tightening the handle will result in more blade exposure and less blade support than the design of the Henson razor intends. Your Henson is ready to shave. Wet or lubricate your skin before shaving. If you sufficiently wet your hair and skin, you may have a good experience without any shaving creams or gels. However, this may not be the best option for everyone. We would recommend finding what works best for you and your skin, whether it's shaving cream, gel, soap, or just water. The head of the razor has exit channels that do a good job at easily removing hair and shaving cream when rinsed with water. Apply only mild pressure to your skin. The Henson is designed to present the blade near the bottom of your hair follicle, right where it meets your skin. The design sets the optimal shave plane for you, and too much pressure can force too much skin against the blade. You may be surprised by how little pressure you need to apply to get a good shave. We suggest long, gentle shaving strokes, about 4 to 6 inches in length, before rinsing for the next pass. Rinse the razor, do not bang it. As a result of the exit channels, either running the razor under the tap or swishing in water is the best way to remove hair and creams. We do not recommend banging the razor against your sink or tub. Take a breath and enjoy the process of a relaxing and enjoyable shave.